Today I am going to show you how to set the document size in Adobe Illustrator. So first of all, click the create new button, and we have multiple size in here. And first of all, recent already used sizes before before the new size selecting, and saved size, mobile size, web print size, film and video, and art and illustration size. We select custom size and name. First of all, write the name of banner anyone post, whatever, and size 1080 by 1080, height and width. And here you select multiple options: size and pixel, inch, feet, and inch, yard, millimeters, centimeters, meters, and RGB used for screen, CMY used for print, and RGB resolution we select 72 ppi, and for print we select 300 ppi for print. So now we select for screen 1080 by 1080 RGB color, screen 72 ppi, and create. This is my social media size, and that's why how we select multiple size, custom size. And for the for print, A4 size is, go to print, A4 letter, and anyone you select there. Here A4 size, this is A4 size.